A historic day in court as former President Trump was arraigned. A calm scene at Trump Tower this morning. As we look live, the former president returned to Mar-a-Lago in Florida shortly after his court hearing yesterday, where he gave a fiery speech to supporters last night.
We have live team coverage of the arraignment and what's next as the criminal case moves forward. After saying little during his arraignment on criminal charges yesterday in Manhattan, former President Trump lashed out at the prosecutor and judge during an appearance last night at Mar-a-Lago.
Trump is accused of falsifying business records to cover up illegal payments to porn star Stormy Daniels and others. CBS News' Elijah Westbrook joins us now. And Elijah, what are we hearing from the former president last night?
Well, Krista Mary, in a speech last night at Mar-a-Lago, Trump claimed the charges are the latest moves by critics to stop him from running for president. This comes as the former president faces 3 other investigations that could also lead to indictments.
Just hours after a Tuesday afternoon in court, a defiant Donald Trump speaks to his supporters in Mar-a-Lago.
I never thought anything like this could happen in America. From the beginning, the Democrats spied on my campaign. Remember that? They attacked me with an onslaught of fraudulent investigations.
Cameras were allowed to get video of Trump walking into the courtroom, but once inside, the media was allowed to only take still photos. They showed Trump appearing to scowl toward the direction of District Attorney Alvin Bragg before entering a plea of not guilty. Moments later, Trump leaves the courtroom and avoids cameras, saying nothing to reporters as they wait outside.
President Trump, will you please come take some questions?
His attorneys spoke on his behalf.
I was surprised there were no facts in there. I mean, normally in an indictment you have alleged facts.
The indictment itself is boilerplate. It doesn't allege any federal crime, any state crime that's been violated.
The Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg laid out the case against Trump, which he allegedly orchestrated a scheme to influence the 2016 presidential election by suppressing negative stories with hush money payments. This includes to adult film star Stormy Daniels, who received $130,000 from Trump's then fixer Michael Cohen, $150,000 to former Playboy model Karen McDougal, who claims she had an affair with Trump, and $30,000 to a former Trump Tower doorman who claimed Trump had fathered a child out of wedlock, a story later found to be false.
We cannot and will not normalize serious criminal conduct.
Trump was fingerprinted but did not take a mugshot.
Now, DA Bragg says Trump wrote 11 checks to Cohen. We're learning 9 of which were signed by Trump himself. We also know Cohen's testimony was just one cog in a multifaceted wheel of evidence against the former president. Chris and Mary.
Elijah, thank you.